3 o'r gloch. Croeso, croeso nôl. Croeso I 10. Helo dwi. Shwd I chi? Da iawn, I hope, and have been keeping safe over the weekend. Mae eirian yn helpu heddiw, so if you've got any questions or observations as we go through the lesson, eirian is on hand to help. Mae eirian yn helpu. Iawn, heddiw, gwers 24. Dydd Gwener, we met Danny and we asked him some questions. I'm going to go over some of the questions with you, but I'll give you a clue as to how Danny answered, just to revise asking questions. So, I asked you, ydy Danny yn dod o Llun-Gwener? Nac ydy. Ydy Danny yn gweithio? Ydy. Ydy Danny yn helpu pobl yn Llun-Gwener yn y lockdown? Ydy. Ydy Danny yn gyrru? Ydy. Ydy Danny yn hoffi darllen? Ydy. Ydy Danny yn chwarae pêl-droed? Nac ydy. Mae e'n gwylio pêl-droed. Da iawn, okay? So, that's how we ask, is he or does he? Do you remember the weather questions? Ask me, is it raining? Ydy hi'n bwrw? Ydy hi'n braf? What does this picture suggest? Ydy hi'n wyntog? Ydy hi'n oer? So, does he, does she, does it? Ydy, ydy hi. Heddiw, dyn ni'n mynd I ddysgu cwestiwn arall. We're going to learn a new question, but this time asking, is there a or is there any? So the difference between he, with something definite, and is there any? And I hope these will be really handy in a car, because I'm having all the time, Mom, is there any coffee? Mom, is there any milk? Mom, are there any yogurts? Yn Gymraeg, what my children are actually saying to me. Okay, now then, let's start with some familiar vocabulary. And instead of using ydy, we use oes. Oes. Try it. Oes, like saying oi with an S. Oes. Try it. Da iawn. So listen. Oes coffi yma? Oes coffi yma? Oes coffi yma? Is there any coffee here? Yma. Oes coffi yma? You try it. Oes coffi yma? Again with familiar. Oes te yma? Oes gwin yma? Now we've done the singular. So, chocolate. A chi? Oes chocolate yma? Da iawn. Are there any chocolates here? Okay, so we're going to learn some new vocabulary, okay, to ask about things around the house. So, first, and actually a word which is different in South De a Gogledd North. Yn y de, dyn ni dweud, we say llaeth. Llaeth. So if you're in North Wales at the moment, don't say it. No. Yn y de, llaeth. Not easy, because we've got the L, the I, and the F. Llaeth. Llaeth. And again, llaeth. Da iawn. North Wales. Longer, maybe a bit easier. Llefrith. 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 Da iawn. Is there any milk here? Oes llaeth yma? Oes llaeth yma? Eto? Oes llaeth yma? Da iawn. Oes llaeth yma? Bara. Bara. But for bara. What is the Pink Panther's favourite food? Bara, 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 bara. I apologise for my singing. Ond bara, yeah? Bara, bara. Is there any bread here? Oes bara yma. Is there any milk here? Oes llaeth yma. Tatws. Tatws. Sound a bit like potatoes. Tatws. Tatws. Well, you try. Are there any potatoes? Da iawn. So, is there any milk? Oes yma. Is there any bread here? Potatoes here? Oes tatws yma. So you'll have noticed how much easier Cymraeg is than English, because in English we have to differentiate. Is there? And Gymraeg, just oes. Okay? Two more. This one, caws. Caws. If you can't tell, it's my cheese. Caws. 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 Is there any cheese here? Oes caws yma. Now, unfortunately, we're so healthy in this house. Don't believe that. I can't find any bisgedi. Yeah? Does there aren't any. So, for biscuits, really easy. Bisgedi. Bisgedi. Bisgedi yma. Really handy for and a gogledd in North Wales, run oes coffee yma, you put a coffee. Don't worry about that. Everyone will understand oes coffee. So I'm going to show you the props quickly. Put it to the question. Oes coffee yma. Yma. Oes tat yma. Oes caw yma. Oes bara yma. Oes gwyn yma. Oes siocled. Okay, let's start. I'll keep the chocolate. I'll keep the yeah. Let's start practicing a few dialogues. I'll be talking to myself. Just have a listen. Oh, oes coffee yma? Oh, da iawn. Dwi eisiau paned. So let's put some of our patterns together. Okay, repeat after me. Oes coffee yma? Oes. Iawn. Dwi eisiau paned. Right. You're going to do the hard work, and I'm just going to answer oes. So you can ask me, is there whatever I show you here? Then you'll say, very good, as a cuppa. Okay. Ask me, is there a coffee yma? Oes. Very good, I want a cuppa. So, oes coffee yma? Oes. Da iawn. Dwi ask me, is there tea here? Oes. Very good, I want a cuppa. Oes tea? Oes. Oh, da iawn. Dwi eisiau paned. Llaeth. Llaeth. Ask me, is there any milk here? Oes. Very good, I want a cuppa. Oes yma? Oes. Oh, da iawn. Eisiau paned. One more. This time, you don't want a cuppa, you want to drink. Ask me, is there any wine here? Sgwyn yma? Oes? Oh, very good. I want a drink. Da iawn, dwi eisiau diod. Oes gwyn yma? Oes. Da iawn, dwi eisiau diod. Da iawn. So, today, llaeth o llefrith. We've learned bara. Pink Panther's favourite food, bara. We've learned tatws. House. But go around the house looking at items and thinking, oh, is there any of that here? Doesn't matter with the English in between, because it's washing up liquid. Yma. Yeah? Oes, nac oes. And we'll expand on this tomorrow. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl.